As self-flying drones become more common for everything from package delivery to search and rescue, a critical question emerges. How do we keep them safe from cyberattacks? The artificial intelligence that pilots these drones can be tricked. A clever hacker could manipulate a drone's sensors, like its GPS or cameras, feeding it false information to make it crash or fly into a restricted area. Here's why this is important. Current defensive methods for these AI systems are often rigid. They are designed to protect against a specific, known type of attack. If an adversary tries a new or unexpected trick, these defenses can easily fail. The drone is fragile. To solve this, researchers have developed a completely new approach inspired by the concept of antifragility, the idea of not just resisting stress, but actually getting stronger from it. So, what did the researchers do? Instead of giving the drone's AI a single, rigid defensive plan, they gave it a whole playbook of different strategies. Each strategy is a robust plan designed to handle a different kind of attack. The true breakthrough is a smart switching mechanism that acts like a master strategist. This system constantly analyzes the drone's situation and, if it detects an attack, it intelligently and rapidly switches to the best defensive play from its playbook for that specific threat. It treats the problem like a gambler choosing between multiple slot machines, quickly learning which one is paying out the most in terms of safety and success, and adapting on the fly as the attacker changes their tactics. Let's explore what they found. Through extensive computer simulations in complex 3D environments with moving obstacles, the results were clear. This new anti-fragile AI dramatically outperformed existing methods. Drones equipped with this system had a much higher success rate in navigating safely without any conflicts, even when facing powerful and unpredictable cyberattacks. They were also more efficient, taking shorter and more direct paths to their destinations because the AI was more confident and adaptable in the face of danger. So, what does this mean in practice? This research is a major step toward creating truly resilient autonomous systems. This technology could make future drone delivery networks, automated flying taxis, and robotic search and rescue missions significantly safer and more reliable. It's how we build AI that we can trust to handle the chaos and uncertainty of the real world, not just by surviving it, but by learning from it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.